Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to import JSON in Node.Js and use watch mode feature. Let's start. First, close the terminal, create a folder called data.json. So here I'm going to create one object, name, it is clerk, and team Justice League. Next, friends. Array, Batman, Wonder Woman. Details, again one object, soup name. It is going to be Superman. So now we have created one basic JSON data and format the data. After this, clear the index page and we have to use only the JS extension here. So I have changed the extension, create a variable data require and provide the path here dot data console dot log data. So now we can provide node index, so it will console the data. So you can see here I have given a file name as a data.json, but here data. In case I'm creating another file data.js console.log wrong input. Again I'm going to run node index. You can see here it is wrong input because if you didn't mention the extension here, it will always first search for the JS file only. If you mention .json, run again. Now you can see the data has been found properly. So it is a good practice to mention an extension while importing the module. So let's clear this terminal. Next, I want to explain about watch mode. So here, clear this console.log hello world. If I'm going to use normal node index, it console the values. In case I want to change the value, instead of world cinema, then I have to run again. So to overcome this issue, we can provide hyphen hyphen watch. So this will enable the watch mode. So here you can see hello cinema. Instead of cinema, I'm going to provide again world. It has console the updated values automatically without externally we have mentioned without any comments. So this watch method will be helpful if you are going to debug by changing the values. Quiz. So please provide your thoughts about watch mode and how it is working in a comment section. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel, get the updates on time.